Okay, we're back at Moto Garage and it's time for this puppy to go on the dyno. But not only that, we've also got the RSV4 with us today. And we're gonna plug it into the diagnostic tool to see whether or not we can figure out what on earth is stopping this bike from getting started so that at least we can diagnose the problem and move forward. Bike's in the dyno. Brett, master dyno technician, what do you reckon the current stats are on the bike?
195, 198.
You can current 195.
Yeah, they're pretty fast.
I reckon 185 current.
195 and 210-ish when we're finished.
210. That would be significant. I'd say 208 when finished.
Yep.
Should we put $5 on it?
Yep.
$5. Or you give me your Beamer, one or the other if I win.
If you had a Beamer, you'd be faster.
If I had a Beamer, I'd be faster. I don't think so. Okay, so we're just on the first run. What do you call that? Just the baseline run, I guess?
Base run.
The base run. And we got, what were those numbers? We got 200.25 BHP at 86.86 pounds of torque. So max torque at 11.5, 200 horsepower at 13.95. Not bad for a stock. So this part was actually super cool to understand because I've never known what a Willits tune does or how a dyno tune really works. So watching the system map out all the variables across the rev ranges was pretty cool. Okay, so Mr. Motor Garage, where did we land? I thought 208.
I thought 210.
You thought 210. There's $5 riding on this. Big money in Australia at the moment. Where did we land?
205.
205. That's pretty good. Up from 200?
200.
200 at the start, but we got more than 5 because the mid-range
is 7 all the way through.
7 horsepower more all the way through the mid-range, which, as we all know, no one uses the top end anyway unless your last name ends with Batista. So I think that sort of works for Australian tracks, yeah?
Yeah, it's from 6,000 to 12,000 was the power and torque increase.
6,000 to 12,000. That's good. That's usable power. It's not wasted power at the top end.
And it was really lean on light throttle, so it was really flat, around 4,000 to 7,000. We fixed all that as well.
Fixed all that, great. So that's it. Bike's finished, bike's done. It'll be up for sale soon. If you're in Australia, maybe you can buy it. Thanks for watching. Tune in again next time. And for the Aprilia, we ended up running it through the diagnostic, clearing a bunch of codes, and we ended up with a 1607 error that we couldn't clear. So I'm thinking it's going to have to go to the Aprilia shop.